Hello students, today we are going to revise our very first topic, that is a grain as big as hen's egg. In this lesson there are three most important characters. First one, son, father and grandfather. Other characters are king, other wise men and many other characters. But we should focus on these three generation characters, that is son, father and grandfather. Uh, in this lesson, we are going to learn that day by day how generation is going to be lazy. So how we should be, that we should learn from this lesson. First, there are the main characters that already I shared: son, father and grandfather. This lesson teaches us that we should not depend on other labors. We should do our own labor. We should do our hard work. We should not depend on others' labor. We should not depend on others' hard work. In this lesson, we got to know that about three generations, that is son, father and grandsons. As we as we know from the lesson that when son enters in the court, he enters with the help of two crutches. He looks old and bent and pale and toothless. But when father enters in the court, he enters with the help of one crutch, and he could hear better than his son. And when grandfather enters without crutches, he could see, hear, and speak clearly than his son and grandson. So, in this way, we got to know that generation to generation, people are becoming dependent and lazy. So, this should not be happen. When we got to know from this lesson that when son comes with two crutches and grandfather comes without crutches, it means son is younger than father and then grandson, than father and then uh, grandfather. Still he uses two crutches to walk. When father enters in the court, at that time he enters with the help of one crutch. It means he is more weaker than his father. And when grandfather enters in the court, he enters without crutch or without crutches. It says that grandfather is more stronger than his son and than his grandson too. So we got to know from this lesson that these all three generations are becomes this kind of stronger or this kind of lazy because of their labor. Now my question is, which generation person you like most and why? Please answer this question and send me your answer through the WhatsApp. Thank you.